had a daughter once. I put my faith in a higher power, hoping it would save her. And she...
Ой.